When individuals betray your trust in secret, be assured that their actions will not escape divine recognition. Trust in God's perfect justice and unwavering fairness. Though it may be challenging to understand, remember that He sees all things and holds each person accountable for their deeds. Find strength in forgiveness and healing. Rise above the pain, knowing that God's love and grace will prevail. Focus on your own growth. Surround yourself with positivity and have faith that God will bring forth justice and restoration in due time. If you believe, type Amen